Look at your hand, boy. Watch him smile. Wagwan service. Today we are at the beach.
Chase is at the beach for the first time.
For the first time right now, guys. He's gonna touch the waters. And yeah, it looks like a jungle behind us right now because it's really like a jungle.
We've never been to this beach before, so we're gonna see.
We're gonna test it out and we're gonna tell you how it is. This is what, Boca Beach?
Boca Beach. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell,
comment down below, notification Chase, because it's all about Chase today, guys. He's gonna be his first experience in the water. Well, he's not gonna go deep in the water because I'm not swimming with the sharks.
No
Danielle can do it, not me.
No jellyfish today.
Yeah, Drew had a bad experience with jellyfish the last time we came to the beach. Look at that. Oh my god, and Bradley got it bad too. On his fingers.
Got it right on his finger.
Yeah, so we are just gonna tippy toe on the water. So let's get right into this video right here, guys. Guys, out here look like a jungle right now. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, man. Some crocodile and alligator in this.
Definitely lizards.
Yeah, there's definitely lizards. We need to get out of here. Hey, Sap. Chase, you ready, Chase? You ready?
Ready for going to the ocean?
Are you ready? You don't even know what's going on.
Looking around like what the frick.
Guys, no, if you can smell that, you know. Yo, can smell some dude around here, guys. I don't know if you can smell it, you know.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Must say there's some beautiful scenery out here though.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Take a pic.
Yeah, this is definitely an Instagram pic. I don't know if you can hear me because the wind is kind of picking up right now. Alright, I'm gonna show you a little front view here for you guys so you can see. So we out here, I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, we're having technical difficulties with the tent right now. As you can see, Drew's there and Gun is right here. Alyssa is right here. It's a malfunction going on right now, guys. It's a cancerous thing going on. People are looking at us, but you know, we'll look right back on them. Alright, so we got Handy Andy here right now, guys. And Handy Andy is trying to build a little tent right as of away. Umbrella time. He's trying to dig the hole like he digs it.
A few moments later.
And
It was on clearance, so we're getting clearance word.
Who will get lotion? Daddy getting lotion? Guys, he's getting lotion right now, as you can see. SPF 2000 right now. Guys, Chase with the sun right now, as you can see. Don't know what it is, but he's just touching it. As usual, like if it was plastic. No, put that in your mouth, boy. You like that? What's that? Sand. You need to wash your hands now. Hands are dirty. Look at your hand, boy. Watch him smile. Chase out here looking at mommy's sandwich like, yo, mommy, can I get some? Can I get some, mommy? Watch him. Yum! He used everything with him foot. Look here. Chase, can you let go the toy off of your foot?
Watch him go for the sandwich.
Look. You like that? He want more. After 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and he's finally sleeping right now. And Daniel's relaxing with Alyssa in here. Then was chilling, talking about men. That's what we're doing. Okay. Talking about makeup. Okay. and me and Gunta out here suffering. Gunta. We're burned up out here. Look at Gunta. Half sandman burning up. Gun, how was your experience at the beach?
Tired.
Very draining.
Very draining.
You just sit in the sun and bleach.
And bleach, but I think I can get black on that.
Yeah.
If I get black on this, God wicked to me. But you know, it was a wonderful view.
Wonderful view.
We need to do this more often.
Yeah, we already eat once a month. We plan so we're gonna do it once a month. You know, go wash off.
Wash off already. Just be put.
Wash off. Alyssa, you wash off?
Yeah. Jamaica.
I know Angie no wash off, you know.
When I Jamaica, I tell me late night cold water. She tell me something for going to be just go wash me hands.
Yo, you never used to just stand in the bathroom and go and count the seconds.
I make be nice in there.
Yeah, going like a baby, a bed. Enough time to do that, you know. Alright guys, we are heading back. I know we couldn't film that much because of the audio and the breeze. It was very windy, but you know, Chase liked it really much. That didn't make no sense, but we're keeping that. He liked it a lot, I should say. So we're going to go get something to eat now. Yeah, we're gonna get something to eat and yeah. And then relax and keep you guys in tune. We have a dilemma here. You know, Gunta always goes and play ball on Sunday.
Every Sunday.
I used to do the same thing, and yeah, eventually your wife or your spouse, they say no on Sundays anymore.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
So we just have to take a back seat and just listen to them.
This is one of these Sundays.
And the only thing we're asking our wives to do is
find a place to eat.
Find a place to eat. And it's been over what? 30 minutes? And yeah. And them still ask me what we want to eat. Alyssa don't know what she want.
I said I want low man.
You want low man?
What that?
What that? That's up on the express.
What do you want? What do you want, Dan?
After another 30 minutes.
They finally
we finally came up where we want to go eat. Alyssa said lo mein, and we said, you know what, we have a bad Chinese place over where we live, so we are going to go.
Always the guys. Always the guys finding.
So if you guys want to come journey with us, follow us. After a cantankerous walk, Mr. Chasey has put in the white towel and he's waved his flag. Knocked out right now. Yeah, he's sweating. Well, we're in the car now, and now we're gonna head to go eat right now, guys.
My favorite time of day.
Yeah, Danielle loves to go eat, as you can tell.
It was a nice day. I love beach days. I have to like beg Chad to come to the beach. If
you guys don't know, this beach is very beautiful. I recommend coming here. It's very nice, and yeah, true. I shouldn't tell you guys, but I'm gonna tell you guys it's Boca Beach. But the thing about it, it's very expensive if you park your car here. So if you can find a friend and just go park it. I mean, yeah. I mean, but it's a good price. $17.
I'm gonna start surfing again.
Yeah. So we are out here. Chase finally woke up from his little nap. Alyssa's here. Are you guys hungry? Very hungry. Drew's out here. Andrew ate off all of this, guys.
Yeah.
Wow. Look there, and he's eating the next one. Gun, what do you have to say?
They're hungry, you know, I'll give them a real pretty food. Yeah. I might not make it.
Yeah. If y'all can smell it there right now, you try coming hungry, dog.
Look on my wife, because I can't on my wife now.
Got Mr. Chase playing with the broccoli. I like it.
Tell him you don't want it.
Lad. Alright guys, we are back home and you can see that we changed our clothes and we took a nice shower, guys, and
yes, a well-deserved show.
Yeah, it's currently nighttime right now, guys, but the lighting in here making it very bright, so you might think it's daylight still.
Yeah, we got some new lighting, as we said in the last vlog, but
yeah, guys, I have a little problem here.
Look at this.
I don't know if you can see that. Look at that white
red.
And red. I had on my shirt the whole time today. Yeah, even
oh my God,
yeah. Look at that, look at that. Oh god, you can see the literal line go over there.
Shirt tan.
Oh god. Yeah, so I had on my shirt today, guys, and that's what the problem was. I had on my shirt. I didn't want to take off my shirt. I felt like I was alright. I didn't have to take it off. I didn't want to get too hot.
And it was hot, but it wasn't like hot.
Yeah, it wasn't that hot. Like,
it was windy.
Thank God it wasn't so hot, because I hate the sun when it's beaming hot, guys.
Yeah.
You guys know what I'm talking about.
It was a good beach
and I was
day.
worried about Chase being really hot, but he was so cool. He had a nap today. As you guys saw, he was so tired.
Like 2 times.
Yeah.
The sun was like.
Yeah, he was enjoying it though, because he was in the little sand there. He was kind of scared of the water.
Yeah, but you know why? I think it was so cold, and I think it was like so fast, and he was like wasn't sure.
Yeah, he was unsure what it was, and then he was like, and then
it's like he liked it, and then he was like,
yeah, and it was kind of cold too, so he's like kind of, it's kind of weird to him, because you know he bathes in warm water, so he's probably not used to it.
Yeah, he's like staring at the dog.
Yeah, right now, as you can see, I'm looking at the dogs here. But yeah, he's going to sleep really good tonight.
I don't know, because he's so active right now.
Yeah, he's actually active now, but before, when we were on the way back, because one thing about him, guys, he does not like car rides. We officially agreed on that he does not like car rides.
It's like he likes it, but he doesn't like long car rides. So it's like once he stays in there for a while, he realizes that he's still in there, and
he doesn't like. I think he doesn't like being confined.
Yeah, because he wants to take off the
strap, like your mother like doesn't wear seatbelts and stuff like that.
Oh my god, I wear my seatbelt in the front.
But yeah, guys, yeah, Chase enjoyed his day. He enjoyed the sun. I think he loved the sun. He took up the sun.
Yeah, he was using the sun like and making it like drop out of his hand.
Yeah.
So I found this butter food for him, like the food in a jar.
Yeah.
And it's an organic one, so it has nothing in it but the ingredient, like the sweet potato and banana. So I've been giving him that one, like if we go on the road and I just want to open something quick.
Because he loves it, guys.
Yeah.
He really
loves it. But it's really
loves
sweet, so I try not to give him a
too
lot.
much of it, yeah.
But it's good for him.
And he was not trying to breastfeed until like what, an hour, 2 hours after we were like there, because he didn't want to, because there's so much things going on. So we actually started to feed him some of the bottom.
Yeah, just to keep him, because he loves it. So he was having that and his water, so he had a good day. Yeah,
today was a really successful day, guys. If you guys want to see more Chase videos, go ahead and comment down below, guys. What you guys want to see next, go ahead and comment down below. And we are going to go straight into notification shout-out time. First notification shout-out goes to...
Hey, it's Trini Princess.
Big up your damn self, you're going to go right over here. Second notification shout-out goes to...
Marie, little sister.
Big up your damn self, you're going to go right here. Third and final notification shout-out goes to...
Bev Dunn.
Big up your damn self, you're going to go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. We really appreciate all your comments. Comment down below. Love, thanks, and all that right now, guys. Notification gang, notification, current notification Chase, because this is all about Chase today. Yeah! Yay! We love you. We love you. Yeah. If you guys want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe to be a part of the family. And if you want to see more Snowy and Ashley's not jumping up because she's kind of scared of the camera. But yeah, she's camera shy. Alright guys, we love you guys and thank you guys for your love and support. And yeah, we can't say this enough. Thank you guys again, and we'll see you another time.
Another time is another time.
Another time is another time. Another dollar is another wine. Huh? Okay, bye.